Modalyst Pro Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Modalyst and related resources are provided in the description below. Modalyst Pro is an advanced tier of the popular dropshipping platform that focuses on helping online merchants find and sell high-quality products without holding inventory. By integrating seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Wix, and BigCommerce, Modalyst Pro connects store owners to a vast network of suppliers offering everything from fashionable apparel to home goods. One of its key features is the automated product importing process. Store owners can browse an extensive catalog, pick items to add, and let Modalyst handle the rest. The platform automatically syncs stock levels and pricing changes, so you spend less time on administration and more on marketing and customer service. Another notable perk is brand curation, since Modalyst Pro includes a marketplace section for vetted suppliers, enabling merchants to differentiate themselves by stocking higher-end or niche items. On the strengths side, Modalyst Pro offers fast shipping options through local suppliers for certain products, giving you a competitive edge by reducing delivery times, crucial in today's e-commerce landscape. Its user-friendly dashboard allows real-time tracking of orders, and automated fulfillment means minimal manual intervention. Additionally, the ability to set global pricing rules and markups helps maintain consistent profit margins across your entire product catalog. The platform also features robust customer support, including tutorials and direct assistance, easing the learning curve for new users. However, there are weaknesses to consider. The cost of Modalyst Pro may be higher than other dropshipping solutions, which can affect smaller businesses or those on tight budgets. Also, while the curated marketplace can elevate store quality, it still may not be as expansive as some broad-spectrum dropshipping apps, limiting your product range if you cater to very specialized niches. Shipping times and costs can vary widely across different suppliers, so clear communication with customers is essential to manage expectations. Overall, Modalyst Pro is a strong option for merchants seeking a curated product catalog, streamlined automation, and the chance to stand out with unique merchandise. If you value higher quality offerings, local suppliers, and reliable order syncing, Modalyst Pro can significantly enhance your dropshipping operations.